Holger. I'm one of the co-founders and the CEO of Blinkist. We provide powerful ideas from non-fiction books and podcasts in 15 minutes. How would a book look like if it was published on a smartphone? That was the core idea. So we take the key insights, the powerful ideas from these long-form formats, podcasts, non-fiction books, and bring them in the format that you can enjoy in downtimes, when you're waiting, when you're commuting, when you're on the couch at home, when you just have 15-20 minutes to fill. So we started Blinkist in 2012, and it really took us 2 years until 2014 to get to, I'd say, 1,000 subscribers. We also learned how the product needs to look, what the right pricing is. We learned our lessons around paid acquisition, performance marketing, and then since the end of 2014 we really started to scale. We founders didn't have a lot of money to bring, so we couldn't what they call bootstrap a lot, and we needed money to invest in content production, in app development, etc., etc. We did a proper seed round with 2 investors, one from Berlin, IBB Ventures, another investor from Bavaria, IBB Ventures. And that really, that funding helped us to do what we needed to do to reach product market fit. The initial amount that IBB and IBB Ventures invested together was 700,000 euros. Over the course of the two next years, they invested another 700,000. Then we were ready to get a Series A. We brought eVentures, they're now called Headline, and Greycroft Ventures from New York on board, and then later on Insight Venture Partners from New York. In all these subsequent rounds, IBB always leveraged their pro rata right, so they always kept investing in these additional rounds. The benefit of having equity investments that are backed by the European Union, we know where the money is coming from, and we have, I would say, patient capital. It feels more trustworthy, and there have been times when things weren't working as well, where we needed more time and more iteration to find our path to growth. And IBB Ventures was very patient, and they said, we invested in you because we believe in you, we share your long-term vision. We are 160 people now. We will be 170 by the end of the year. So we have people working from London, from the UK in general, from Spain, Finland. We do have some employees in the US, which is our biggest market. So we're a global company headquartered in Berlin. By saying yes to equity, these equity investments, you also say yes to certain growth ambitions. Taking equity from venture capital pushes you for high growth. Your current round is not the last round. It's important for founders to be aware and have clarity. How do they invest the money they get now to have a good story for the next round? What is the one thing that they need to crack to get a new investor on board? IBB Ventures planting a seed and then letting us grow that into a big tree is a good picture.